Hello from Slovenia again, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In my previous video I decided that I will do black and white and gold series, and today I will do a reverse flower dip, the technique that I'm kind of known for. I like flowers, so it's basically pouring acrylic pouring paints over this flower-shaped cup, and then put the napkin down, lift it, and create some nice effects and shapes, hopefully. So today I will use titanium white by Amsterdam, oxide black by Amsterdam, gold by Pepeo iridescent precious gold, and my pearl white mixture, that it's Vallejo pearl medium and titanium white. And of course all my paints are mixed with Bessner acrylic binder and acrylic emulsion. So I will layer pearl white gold, pearl white black, pearl white between every of those layers, because pearl white will create some lacing effect that gives kind of 3D look to these flowers made with this acrylic pouring technique. And if you want to learn this in person, because it's kind of, different, if you can feel, touch, and see with your own eyes, it's totally different through video. I can tell you that. You can come to Dublin still, have some spots left for June, or in Washington DC in August, where I will teach this technique and some others. I have quite a lot of full detailed tutorials. Just try to go to playlist and find the reverse flower dips, and if you want to learn everything, how to mix paints in particular, everything in detail. But for today I will just let you listen to some music and see some flower magic appear.